One of my big pleasures every morning after I wake up is to prepare a cup of tea with different herbs. It could be hibiscus with thyme or chamomile. Well, no, chamomile is normally for the evenings, as well as lavender, but I just love lavender, so I use it very often with hibiscus. Sometimes it's black tea, but just one per day. And then I go outside to have breakfast with Apollo, my cat. Before I get ready to go biking, I do my own yogurt and I put blueberries and sometimes pecans and old-time chia. It's very nutritious and it's a good way to start the morning. Then I go biking, which makes me feel so free. It's almost like I was flying. I like to touch the trees and the leaves. It's like talking with nature. It makes me feel so alive and so happy. I've been trying to pick up little flowers, but I just can't. I feel sorry for them. So rather I just jumped, on a tree, like when I was a child. Such a good sensation. I don't know why is that feeling so special of being on a tree. I like to feel the energy of the trees and to imagine how many things they have seen and heard and felt. Trees are so strong, but at the same time so peaceful. That was a nice experience. And here I am again trying to pick up little flowers, but it's not just because they are tiny and they're like wild that they are not important, that they don't have their own life. So I just don't want to walk on them or just want to respect them. I know it's weird, but anyway, I just picked 2 or 3. Meditation is one of the best activities. I enjoy it so much. Just admiring nature. When I come back, I like to cook. Not much, not long. But cutting vegetables just make me feel relaxed and concentrated. I'm gonna prepare quinoa I just mix it with spinach and mushrooms and onions, a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. Salt and quesadillas. It's very simple, but it's nutritious and delicious. My dessert, apples with cinnamon. I like to set a very nice table in a simple way. Nothing too sophisticated, just simple but nice. With a little candle. And that's it. And nice music. My cat is calling me. I'm so proud of my small collection of herbs and oils. And this is my lanai. In Florida they call it lanai, which is a weird name. Always surrounded by my cats. I never feel alone. I like to paint with watercolors. I always have so many things to do during the day. I'm always busy, but doing what I really enjoy. I remember when I used to be a researcher, I was so stressed. Now my life is so different and great. I used to have so big ambitions, professional ambitions, material ambitions, and now it's just so different. My goals are different. All I want is just to be at peace and in harmony with the universe, in harmony with the animals around me. I just want to be in contact with my surroundings, with nature, with animals, listening to the sound of the water. That is what makes me really happy. Here in this present is exactly where I want to be. I'm much better here. I'm so happy and grateful with my life. With my cats, peaceful cats. Giving water to my plants makes me happy because it's being part of their process of living. It's a great satisfaction, actually. And then every afternoon I go walking, just around my house. I again just to feel in contact with nature and to admire every single detail of the flowers and the leaves. It makes me feel so alive and so grateful with the universe. I always thought that the imperfection of nature is just perfect. Have a peaceful day.